So shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so you are here for the first time, but I am new here. But on my channel, you are first here, right? So I would
Oh.
love you to introduce yourself at first.
Yes, I love to do that. I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. My native place is a village. It is 60 kilometers far away from Salem towards Chennai. And I did my master's in engineering in computer science department. Afterwards, recently I have completed my TEFL TESOL courses and I was a lecturer and afterwards a banker for almost 12 years. I am a mom to two kids, and recently I have embarked on this YouTube channel to enhance my communication skill.
Okay.
Recently, I have been doing this conversation for a couple of months.
Okay, okay. You have a big profile, right? Such a nice profile.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. And I also would like to know about you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And my name is Nimisha Deepu, and I would like to introduce myself as well. My name is Nimisha Deepu, and originally I'm from Kerala, Palakkad. We are neighbors in that way. So,
Yes.
mm. But currently I'm speaking from Bihar because I work as a teacher here in a CBSE school. So yeah, this is all a bit about me. And nowadays I have started my own YouTube channel named DN EduBest. So where I upload English related videos, but absolutely I'm new here. At this, I mean I'm learning, and at the same time, whatever I learn, I just try to impart my knowledge.
Okay. Well done, ma'am. Well done. So, what made you to start this channel, ma'am? Because already you are doing, you are in your profession. So, what made you to start this channel?
Because everybody does the same, right? In order to become a fluent English speaker, we have to do something from which we will get something fruitful effect, right? So I felt so that after watching a lot of conversational videos, why I should not start such an initiative? I was thinking like that. So that's how I created this channel. But actually, honestly, I started this channel 2 years back, but that time I was uploading economics related and politics related videos. But because after rejoining here in this school, it was, I mean, I was going through such a hectic schedule, so I dropped it. Then 2 months back, I again restarted it, but nowadays I'm concentrating on English related videos.
Okay. So, what's your qualification, ma'am?
I'm a master degree holder in economics, and I do have a B.Ed degree also.
Okay, so are you teaching economics in school or
No,
teaching
so
English?
I teach social studies
Social studies. Okay.
because I teach up to eighth standard. So I teach social studies.
Okay. That is related to your master degree.
Yeah, because I'm from arts background, so this is my subject.
Okay. You love it, right, ma'am? You
Sorry.
love your subject.
Yeah,
You
I
loved
love.
it, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I love
Yes,
my
yes.
subject and as well as my profession also. I love to work as a teacher.
Okay. So in social studies, there are three parts, right, ma'am? Like history, geography, and civics.
Yeah,
Is it
yeah.
the same now?
No, actually, this is a, I mean, subject which named as social studies, but fifth standard onwards, there are different categories like history, geography, like that. So till
Okay.
the not sixth standard onwards only, till the fifth standard, it's just like a social studies, and all the sub variations comes into the same book.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay. And how's the climate there in Coimbatore? I have heard that the climate is very pathetic. I mean, it bucketing down there.
Yes, now I'm in my native place. My Coimbatore is yesterday. I heard that it was a severe rainfall. There would be a severe rainfall. Okay, But okay, in Coimbatore, they could be managed that thing.
Hmm.
That was
And
not
but
that
last
much.
day also, not last day, in the morning itself, I have watched a video, and it was of Coimbatore region, and all the roads were, I mean, filled with the water, and all the people were struggling to travel through that road. So that's why I asked
Yes,
how's the weather there right
yes.
now?
It would be like that after some time, after raining cat and dogs for some time. But the government is taking, should taken some steps, precautions for that. So I'm in my native. Actually, I didn't know what happened there, but asked yesterday about that to my husband, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, you are from Chennai right now. Right now, you are speaking from Chennai, right?
No, no, not from Chennai. Now I'm from my native place. It is what to say, 200 kilometers away from Chennai.
Okay. Is it a rural area?
Yes, yes. It's a
Then
rural area,
it might
village.
not be that much affected with a flood, right? Because whenever it rains, that time Chennai is always filled with the water, right? Floods over. I mean, Chennai has to face flood because there are a lot of buildings and there is no way to the water to go out or a drainage system like that.
Yes,
Right? I have
actually,
heard
it
that.
is a scenario, but I don't think that this year also will happen like that because the government is taking so much precautions and so much. They are so what to say. They know what is going to happen, so they are taking so many remedies for that. They
Hmm.
have to mitigate that thing. So I don't know how it is going to be this time.
Hmm.
Yeah, like yesterday, like previous year, it was there, but we'll see it this year.
Okay, okay. So,
But
ma'am,
here is a
mm,
rural area. I'm in rural area. Here, we cannot say that there is a flood or like that because here there is a proper channel for flowing water and yes, they have the proper connection. The small waters they connect to the channels, and from that there is a connection to join to the pond, then to
mm,
the river. So there is a proper channel here.
mm,
So we don't get afraid. We don't want to frighten about that heavy flood and all.
mm. Okay, that's nice. Okay, when you were working as a lecturer, and which was your subject, and were you able to speak in English at that time also, or if not, then what motivated you to learn this language?
Learn this language. Okay, I was a lecturer for 4 years. That time, my first instruction was, "Ma'am, please don't talk in English to the students. They should not be is by an English or by any words. They should not be frightened and try to explain everything in your mother tongue." That was the
Mhm.
first instruction. I was even worried. What are they speaking? And then I should not say any word in English. I was thinking like that, but later I changed the trend. I started speaking in English, and
Mm,
gradually I just import some knowledge regarding English, and I was explaining the importance, the significance of English in
mm,
this realm, and I also encouraged some curiosity to learn English with games.
mhm.
I'll
Okay.
tell you the word, and you have to give some meanings for the synonyms for that word. So,
Mm,
like that, last 10 minutes I used for this purpose and for some general knowledge from for some day-to-day activities. I did not concentrate on studies alone. I
mhm.
was a class teacher for them, and so
Okay.
I make sure to use my knowledge with them. And I was teaching, and I was learning also new things from them.
Mm, that was nice.
So from that time, is my subject was computer science, but
Mm.
I did not stick to that alone. So I was telling them with something regarding English learning also.
Okay, okay. So, how long it's been you are learning this language?
Actually, I don't know, ma'am, because I don't say that I have been learning this language for 4 years, 5 years. I actually didn't know that.
Hmm.
Because when I find time, I was doing some grammar related exercises on mobile, because this I have told so many times. I was doing exercises on
Hmm.
mobile before
Okay.
this also, before starting this channel also.
Hmm.
And I was concentrating on speaking later, and I was explaining the phrases and the idioms and all to my daughters. And by saying them, I'm remembering those idioms, ma'am, once again.
Hmm. That's such a good initiative, right? Hmm.
Yes, because they like, see, this happened actually. My daughter had a phrase, had a sentence that in trouble.
Hmm.
She was struggling to pronounce that trouble.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
word seems a normal word for us, but for her it was somewhat she felt it was something tough,
Hmm.
difficult. So I explained her, in trouble, instead of using trouble, you can say in hot water, the same
Hmm.
meaning.
Yeah.
And it is an idiom. So moreover, it is an idiom. So you can use in trouble, instead of in trouble, you can use in hot water. She actually picked that in hot water instead of trouble.
Hmm.
She's very comfortable. She was very comfortable with in hot water. Like this is, I'm including these idioms to their lives, to their what to say, studies also.
Hmm. I appreciate that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, and I have watched a lot of videos of yours, and you are making a lot of videos with Nanda Kumar sir, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. How did you get to know about him?
I am a great fan of him. I saw his videos, his previous videos with some others. So I had a try. We what to say. I am very comfortable. I feel very comfortable when I have a conversation with him. So I make sure to have a conversation with him always.
Okay. Does he
I
have?
saw some of his videos, previous videos.
Sorry.
I saw some of his Sar's previous videos.
Okay. Okay. So it means, does he have any YouTube channel?
Who?
Nanda Kumar sir.
No, no, I don't think so.
Okay. Then on which platform do you? I mean,
From
connect with him?
English Yori. From English Yori.
Okay. Okay. Is the application pricey?
I don't think so, ma'am, but it depends. It depends.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Anyhow, it would be fruitful, right?
Yes, yes, of course. It is in our hand, ma'am. We have to make it fruitful. And before the session, we have to do some homework. If you need to do something, if you are ready to do something, you can very well go with them. And they are also correcting, rectifying our mistakes. They are guiding us how to speak and what to speak, what not to speak.
Hmm.
And at the session, so that would be a great thing for us to improve further, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah, correct. Okay.
It's moreover, it's a fun and engaging session, I could say.
Hmm.
Rather than a learning session, you will not see that the time has finished, the time has over.
Hmm.
At the end of the session, you'll come to know, okay, we have done something
Finish.
useful.
Hmm.
Yes, we have done something usefully, and we have finished without even knowing ourselves.
Okay, okay. And I think now I have to subscribe for this application.
Yes, yes. Do
Hmm.
it, ma'am. Do it.
Okay, ma'am. And you have a good experience here. I mean, with making YouTube, I mean, conversational videos. So you might have a knowledge about what questions you can ask. So I'm waiting for your side to ask any question because I'm new here. I don't have any set of questions that I can ask to you.
Okay. So you are from social science background.
Yeah.
But you are concentrating on English. So what is this, ma'am? So why are you moving from social science to English? You could have started some channel related to your studies, to your profession, but you are concentrating on English. So what is the reason behind, ma'am?
Actually, this is a wonderful question. I would like to answer this question. Social studies actually is a subject, right? And when it comes to English, it's a language. And learning English is actually very, very important. It is very essential in this present world. We have to deal with different things in this world. In every, I mean, whether it is our professional life or personal life, and the importance of English is very high, I think. Whether we if we want to upgrade our career for personal growth, whatever it is, there is a huge influence of English. And in my case, I was thinking that I do have a master degree in economics, and I'm a professional teacher also. And after having all these qualification, if I'm not able to communicate in English, then all my degrees would be of zero result. Then I don't want to feel such a guilty feeling. I mean, I don't want to feel regretful in my future. Even I think now it's very late to learn this language. All my schooling was done in Malayalam medium, and I didn't get much exposure to this language. But after my 12th standard, I have learned all the subjects in English language, but still it was too late. And learning and writing, this all the thing is okay with English, but it when comes to speaking, it's not that much easy if we do not practice. So whenever we go out nowadays, there is a tendency or a trend that is everybody speaks in English, whether it is in Delhi, Coimbatore, Kerala, or Gujarat, whatever, wherever it is, everybody speaks in English. So, in that surrounding, in that condition, if I am not able to speak in English, then that would be a pathetic feeling, right? So that motivated me, and I was scrolling on social medias, and there I was watching a lot of English related videos, conversational videos like you. I mean, YouTube of YouTubers like you, and you guys are speaking very well and very fluently. So you all inspired me to learn this language. Even
Oh,
when it I felt one thing, that when we are talking about English, then it is okay, we are able to speak in English because we are already, I mean, every time we are hearing such a topic, right? Everything we okay. So I was saying that when it comes to when a time comes, if we want to talk about a random topic, then that time we get stuck. How old is she?
she turns 5 months this July.
5.
5 is.
Okay, but by look, I think she is 3.
Okay. She's very about to say thin, like his father. Mm. There is
What's your
a what to
name,
say
baby?
quarrel between there is a quarrel between her sister and herself, ma'am. She has gone to somewhere without her, so she is making this like this.
Okay. What's your
She's
name?
asking her to come along with her for the store to get something, but she has gone somewhere without responding her. So she's behaving like this. Otherwise, she never does like this.
Hmm. It's
She never
okay.
disturbs me.
Okay,
Yes.
what's her name?
And her name is Strisha, ma'am.
Sorry?
Strisha.
Srisha. Okay, such a good name.
Strisha. Thank you,
Hi, Srisha.
ma'am.
She's nervous, I think.
Ma'am,
She's nervous.
not nervous. What to say? She's thinking that her sister has left her without taking her to the store, so I have to go to the store. She's telling like that. I'm
Mhm.
asking her to be quiet for some time, but she's not doing that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then you were asking something, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I asked that, but whatever you said is correctly. But nowadays, when I see some advertisements on the newspaper,
Hmm.
they are saying that we need computer science department tutors, assistant professors, something. But above that, there is one thing that is in
English
bold
proficiency.
letters. Communication is
Hmm.
English proficiency is must.
Yeah, in every field, I
Communication
also
skills
felt like
must.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody asks for English proficiency. So it's a big challenge or threat for everybody, those who know, those who does not know English. So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
also one of the reason why I'm running behind of English.
Yes.
Mm.
And it was my daughter. I was, what to say, after quitting my job, I was melancholic for some time. And my daughter, she explained, what to say, she encouraged me to do something rather than simply sitting and lamenting about the past. And so, in order to make her happy, I have started my YouTube channel.
Mm.
And I do have some plans, ma'am, to enhance further my channel. Let us see. Because, see, ma'am, in order to record a session also, how I'm struggling. So it would take time to do something on this platform. Let us hope, ma'am.
But I think you won in this particular ground, right?
Pardon, ma'am?
You have won here, right? You have got a
You
lot
have?
of subscribers and you are
Yes,
getting
yes.
enough views, right? I think
Yes, ma'am.
Mahalakshmi ma'am is famous on YouTube on the ground of conversational videos, right?
Is it so, ma'am? I'm
Yeah,
so happy to
sure.
hear this from you.
That's why I made
Okay.
you, because I was searching for conversational videos, and I mean
Okay.
I have got many of your videos with Nanda Gopal sir.
Okay, ma'am.
That's how I note
Okay,
down
ma'am.
your mail, and I have mailed you that time. I have mailed to many YouTubers like you, and among them, you were one.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful initiation.
That's
That
why
initiation
again and
is
again, over
very.
and over, I was mentioning that I'm new here. You are have, I mean, you are experienced guy here, right?
No, recently I have started, ma'am, just 2 months, 2.5 months before. Two and a half to
Okay.
3 months before.
Within this time, within this such a short time, you are famous here and you have got enough subscribers, views, whatever it is.
Oh my
That's
God.
why I mentioned that you are, I mean, you won here. You won such a, I mean, this exam. It's like an exam, right?
Okay, but what to say? I'm so glad and I'm so, what to say, ma'am, thankful for everything. I respect
You don't need
everyone
to
in
thank you
this.
because you are so. That's why I said the reality. I said the fact.
When someone is praising me, I really don't know what to answer them, ma'am. I have only thank you and I appreciate your words.
Okay, I have watched many of your videos with Ram sir. Did you make a video with Ram sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So it's clear you are
That was the
famous on
turning
YouTube.
point. That
So,
was the turning point.
yeah. Okay. From his channel
Yes.
itself, I have got your, I mean, I have got to know about yourself. And that's why I was searching for your page and, and then mailed to you.
Wait, next, my elder one, she has come. Yes. Yeah. Okay, please take her along with you. She's not coming with me. So go there. Please make her to understand, pacify herself. I'm seeing TV for 5 minutes. Okay, ma'am. It's from Ram sir. You came to know about me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Ram sir mentions everybody's channel whenever he creates a video.
Okay.
When he uploads the video, in the description box or in the title itself, he mentions the if you are a YouTuber and if he makes a conversational video with you, then he mentions your videos. I mean channel's name.
Oh,
That's how
yes,
I
yes,
got
yes.
your video.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. But I got a prompt response from him and he accepted my request so soon.
I have
And I was
also
very grateful.
well, I have mailed him, but till now I didn't get any response. Maybe he has a very hectic schedule.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Probably.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. Even I started my journey 2 months ago. So I don't
Okay.
think that I am fluent here. That's why recently, for the last 2 days, I am concentrating on conversational videos.
Okay. Okay. But fluent is okay. We are not. We don't. We this language is not our native language.
Mm.
But what to say? We have to be consistent. We have to move forward, ma'am. That's the thing.
Yeah.
They should keep on learning something, and we have to put some effort before our session, and
Mm.
that should be helpful for our viewers
Mm.
also. So I'm
Yeah.
doing that,
Consistency
and
is
before
very
that
important.
also I have a book. Yes, ma'am.
Consistency is very important, right? In order to get anything.
Very important. Very important.
Mm.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
See, yesterday I had a function, ma'am. I had a birthday party. It was my what to say. Uh, I had to go somewhere. Okay, and before that, I was make sure that I had something to upload today, and I have edited everything. And I what to say. I did everything before going there.
Mm. Okay.
So this is when we are traveling on something, we make sure that we are with the adequate things.
Mm. So that we can make a video, right?
Yes, make
Mm.
a video and we can move further. We can what to say. We can move further and we can get whatever we want. That
Mm.
the determination is very important.
Yeah, correct, correct. I mean, I can say that you are very determined person, right?
Yes, of course, I value even a single second. And before, if I doing something irrelevant to my journey, I ask myself what I'm doing is right now is correct. Is this I want to do? Is this I want to achieve? Then the
Mm.
next minute, the next second, I cannot proceed with that. I have to change it, right, ma'am? So
Mm.
every second I'm asking myself, not I'm not, deliberately I'm not asking. Something is asking me, are you doing this correct? Whatever you're doing, is it correct? So I have to answer my urge, my inner soul.
Mm.
So I have to keep myself like this.
I think you always think from your brain, right? But most of the people think from their heart. But you are using your
I don't
brain.
know, ma'am. Sometimes when it comes to studies or learning, I always obey my brain. But when
Mm.
it comes to what to say, empathetic, sympathetic, like that, I hear from my heart.
Mm.
I don't obey my brain that time.
That's how, in such a short time, you have achieved your goal.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But okay,
Even
I really
you know what?
appreciate.
I'm not consistent here. I'm not consistent. Maybe I have been going through such a hectic schedule. I have to manage my house and along with the school. So maybe
Yes.
that's what the reason. But now these are my holidays, so I'm focusing on YouTube. Not only YouTube, on I mean English. This ground.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
So
But
without.
sometimes, right, ma'am, my brain, when I'm watching some movies, some interesting movies, my brain keeps on asking me, see, is this important to watch movie? But my heart says, right, the dopamine, that feeling, that what to say, happy moment, that is actually saying, yes, yes, it's very important to watch this movie. I have to complete it with till a climax, so I keep on watching it.
Yeah,
But
sometimes,
now, okay,
yeah, sometimes it happens.
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Okay, so do you have any other question, ma'am?
No, ma'am, not now, but I'll think, ma'am, and I'll ask you.
Sorry.
Not now, ma'am, it's okay. I have asked you whatever I thought of asking.
Okay, okay. So then, have you ever been to Kerala?
This is, it was an unforgettable moment. It was an unforgettable journey. And we actually, when I was doing my college, as an industrial visit, we visited Kerala and
Okay.
Vigaland. We went to Vigaland. We
Hmm.
spent our whole day with that in that amusement park, and we had a great time over there.
Then what
And
about
there was a
Palakkad?
story also behind that.
What about Palakkad?
Palakkad. Okay, it's very near to Kerala, right, ma'am?
Yeah, very near to. I think Kerala is
It's not
60
very near to
kilometers far away
Coimbatore. I
from
said that Kerala.
60 kilometers far away from Coimbatore.
Coimbatore,
Hmm.
yes.
Yeah.
There was a story, interesting story behind that also, behind that industrial visit, and I'll share that story in our next video, ma'am,
Sure,
because it
sure.
would take nearly
Mhm.
is another 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, they have already informed me. 10 minutes left now.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, would you like to upload the same video or whether we should, I mean, should make another
We
video?
will have another, ma'am. We will have another one, ma'am.